Created by ContentBinger.com. Criminal Law Glossary, Letter B.
Bail is money or property put up for the temporary release of an accused person awaiting trial. The purpose of bail is to assure the court that the defendant will return for trial. Bailiff is a court official, usually a deputy sheriff, who keeps order in the courtroom and handles various errands for the judge and clerk. Bail bond is a bond given to a court by a criminal defendant's surety, guaranteeing that the defendant will duly appear in court in the future. Battered child syndrome is a child who has been the victim of physical abuse. Battery is any intentional, unlawful physical contact inflicted on one person by another without consent. Bench trial is a trial by the judge only, no jury. Best interest of the child standard is something courts use when deciding issues involving custody and visitation rights, or whether to approve adoptions and guardianships. It requires the courts to consider many factors, such as the health of the parent or guardian, the child's preference, and the ability of the parent or guardian to provide the child with food, shelter, clothing, and medical care, before deciding what is in an individual child's best interest. Beyond a reasonable doubt, the level of proof required to convict a person of a crime. It does not require that one be convinced 100%. It does mean, however, that there should not be any reasonable doubt as to a person's guilt. Booking is the formal process of making a police record of an arrest. Burden of proof is the obligation of a party to prove his or her allegations during a trial. Burglary MPC is a person entering a building, occupied structure, or separately secured portion thereof of another, with the purpose to commit a crime therein. Burglary at common law is breaking and entering into a dwelling or house of another at night with the intent to commit a felony therein. The next video in this sequence is Criminal Law Glossary, Letter C, which you can find on our YouTube channel or on ContentBinger.com.
Thanks for watching. For more content, check out ContentBinger.com.